Good day, my friend. I'm very excited to talk to you today about our new release of StageGO 2.0. Since the release of the original StageGO, it has become one of our partners' go-to staging utility. Not only it dramatically reduced the time required to fully configure tens or hundreds of devices, the ease of use and the portability of the QR code scanning process had also been highly praised. With the next generation of StageGO, we have set our focus to improve on two key areas. 1. How to make the staging process more speedy, and 2. The number of script commands available on the table for IT admins to mix and match to get their jobs done faster. It's all about the productivity. So, are you ready? Set. And, let's StageGO. StageGO 2.0 is the ultimate staging solution for Unitech Android mobile devices. Here is our rationale behind the reasons why we think it is. Let's begin with Android Enterprise. StageGO 2 is now fully compliant to the Android Enterprise ecosystem. Android Enterprise is now one of the most talked about tech in the Android community. At Unitech, we have been hard working to get our devices and applications certified for Android Enterprise to give our partners the utterly most assurances in the compatibility of enterprise features offered by the Android system. When you enroll StageGO into your devices with the Android Enterprise device enrollment, not only you can get your device staging done in a much shorter period of time, you also get more script commands to work with. This is because the Android system gives StageGO special permissions to change advanced system settings when it is enrolled with the Android Enterprise system. In fact, StageGO now offers more than 150 commands when it is enrolled with Android Enterprise. That is more than double the number of commands available from the original StageGO. Even if you choose not to enroll StageGO with Android Enterprise, you still get about 115 commands when it runs as a standalone application. With the increased complexity of the StageGO workflow, we also focused on the improvements to the application user experiences and the ease of use. We have added RWD support to the web script editor. You can now work a script on the go, with a laptop, tablet, or just your phone. But the more obvious improvements can be found from the Android application. The StageGO application now lets you scan the staging QR codes and then walk away. StageGO will take care of the rest of the staging while you are away. What else StageGO takes great care of is the data security and privacy. StageGO has been built on the foundations of security and privacy since day one, because we know that a script or a QR code can easily carry a lot of sensitive data. Passwords, user accounts, server logins, just to name a few. StageGO uses the industry standard encryption methods to ensure data is secure from endpoint to endpoint. Even when the script file or QR code printouts have fallen into the wrong hands, IT admins can still be assured that the corporate secrets will not be easily deciphered. Last but not least, when you enroll StageGO into your device with Android Enterprise, your device will automatically download the latest StageGO app from our server, making it always up to date. Even if you choose not to enroll with Android Enterprise, the StageGO app is most likely already pre-installed in your Unitech device. StageGO is always ready to work before you do. At the end of this presentation, I will also talk a little bit about Mobilelink. Mobilelink is the full-fledged EMM solution made in-house by Unitech. If you choose to start with StageGO, you can upgrade to Mobilelink at any time if your business grows and need online-based remote device monitoring, control, configuration, and management. There are a number of ways to deploy your devices with StageGO. Whether or not your business decides to go with the Android Enterprise workflow, there are 3 deployment options that we recommend. But before you pick an option, we would like to ask you to think about the software ecosystem that you would prefer to use for fully managing your devices. Some of our partners may have favored in using their preferred EMM solution such as SODI, AirWatch, or Intune to fully manage their devices, while some others prefer the solutions StageGO and Mobilelink from Unitech. If the Unitech software ecosystem meets your management needs, we highly recommend that you start with enrolling StageGO using Android Enterprise from day one. This not only will give you the most control over your Unitech devices, you also will have the option to upgrade at a later time to the fully fledged EMM solution Mobilelink. On the other hand, if you decide to go with a software ecosystem from a third-party EMM solution, You can then enroll your preferred EMM with Android Enterprise, and use that as your primary device staging and management software. In this case, however, StageGO could still be a beneficial secondary companion, because it can still configure a considerable number of Unitech-specific settings that other EMM may not be able to do so. Either way, if you choose to start with the Unitech software ecosystem, the deployment options 1 and 2 can be considered. Options 1 and 2 are the two Android Enterprise device enrollment processes that StageGO supports. Both processes allow you to enroll and stage your devices quickly. The differences lie in whether StageGO is enforced to be enrolled into the device, or not. With QR code enrollment, the device user has to manually scan the StageGO enrollment QR code to let the Android system know that StageGO is to be used to fully manage the device. But, because the QR code scan is not enforced, if the user chose to skip that step, the device will no longer be managed by StageGO. The zero-touch enrollment, on the other hand, it may appear that there are more steps required from the input of the device users to complete the enrollment process. But the StageGO application is always enforced to be enrolled to fully manage the device, once the device has connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or cellular. Your business policies and workflow will most likely be the influencing factors in the decision of the deployment choice, but either option will be able to let you enroll and configure devices quickly and elegantly. Even for those colleagues who may not possess much technical understanding of the Android system, they can still be trained quite a bit more easily to perform the device enrollment and staging using QR codes, rather than taping through the various Android menu systems. We hope this will get everyone's jobs done faster, and that's why the third picture shows an empty office. Where is everyone? Finished work and gone home? StageGO 2.0 is designed to give you an intuitive user experience. The key workflow is surrounded by the theme of create, print, scan, and then walk away. First, log on to the StageGO web script editor and start creating your configuration scripts. You can add as many commands to the workspace as you need, rearrange them to your likings, or even upgrade an older script to the new version. When you are done with editing, you can choose to save the script as a file or print the staging QR codes. StageGO always makes sure that the number of QR codes generated is optimal. It compresses the script commands and generates the least number of QR codes according to the specified scan mode. Of course, you are welcome to adjust the QR code density manually before printing. We also made the StageGO Android application even more intuitive to use than before. The only action you would need to perform on with the StageGO app is the QR code scans. When all QR code scans are complete, then you can walk away and let StageGO do its work. StageGO now also checks the script compatibility to the device more rigorously than before, and if there are multiple QR codes to scan, you will feel a vibration in your hand between each good scan. A small change but really makes a big difference in the ease of use. We are also introducing a brand new feature in StageGO 2, called the Boot-Up scripts. With Boot-Up scripts enabled, StageGO will automatically run the scripts you specify when the device boots up. You can auto-run one or more scripts on the local storage or on a remote HTTP or FTP server. And finally, just like the original StageGO application, the enterprise-ready features such as silent mode, kiosk mode, auto-exit, execution password, setting PIN code, and export-import functions are supported to give your enterprise the ability to ensure apps are compliant to your corporate policies. StageGO 2 now supports about 150 script commands in the fully managed configuration. StageGO can change the common settings you can find in the Android settings, as well as the Unitech-specific settings, such as Unitech app setting, scanner settings, programmable key settings, and firmware updates. Advanced commands such as security and user restrictions settings are also available in the fully managed configuration. You can now place restrictions to the device capabilities, file transfers, or mount in external storages, and so forth. The commands that are most interested by many are the applications and file management commands. With those commands, some choose to download the business apps in a zip file from their corporate servers, unzip it and install all the APKs. And while some others choose to prepare an external SD card or OTG drive, Put all the needed apps, config files, and the StageGO script on the external storage, and then insert it into the device for a network-free configuration. With over 150 script commands that you can summon at your fingertips, you could mix and match them creatively to fully manage many aspects of the configuration of your devices. StageGO has been built on the foundations of security and privacy since day one, because we know that a script or a QR code can easily carry a lot of sensitive data. We want our partners and IT admins to stage with assurances and a peace of mind. The StageGO web script editor is where IT admins use to create their scripts online. StageGO uses the industry standard SSL connection to encrypt the data transmitted between the IT admin's browsers to our StageGO server. When the script editing is done, we ask the IT admins to save the script to a file on their own storage, and not on the StageGO server. When they are ready to resume editing that script, simply load the file back into the StageGO web editor. No script data is saved inside Unitech server to protect data privacy. StageGO also encrypts the script files and the staging QR codes with AES encryption. In the case they have been fallen into the wrong hands, the contents of the files and QR codes will not be easily deciphered. On the bottom of your screen now, there is a sample staging QR code generated by StageGO. Please try scanning the QR code with your phone now. You can see that the QR code data appears to be random non-readable strings of text, rather than something you can make out of. And finally, StageGO can let IT admins to set an execution password into a script. The correct password must be entered before the script is allowed to be run. An extra layer of assurance for the IT admins for not worrying about random people executing the script without a permission. StageGO is designed to work anytime and anywhere. The web script editor is designed to work with desktops, laptops, tablets, and phone screen sizes. IT admins can simply log online on their web browsers to start using the script editor. The RWD web design allows anyone to use StageGO on any device, and without the need to install an app. There is also no installations required on the Android device. The StageGO application is pre-installed on the supported Unitech devices. Users can simply launch them on their device to start staging. At Unitech, we also provide a number of tools to ensure IT admins can get their StageGO app up to date if they wish. First, when devices enroll with Android Enterprise, the StageGO app will be automatically updated to the latest version during the setup process. Then, during the daily operations of the device, Unitech also provides the software update utility to give IT admins the ability to auto-check and install StageGO updates. If StageGO is purposed to be the ultimate device staging utility for Unitech devices, then Mobilelink is the ultimate full-fledged EMM solution made in-house by Unitech, for Unitech devices. The Unitech software ecosystem allows you to start initially with just StageGO 2.0, and then when your business needs grow, you can get your devices licensed with the full-fledged EMM solution Mobilelink 4.0. Mobilelink gives your business the power to monitor your device health dashboard in real time, and manage the device's applications, files, configurations, the user restrictions, and remote desktop. You could even track your device's locations down to the street level on the map, or to draw out a geofence area and get notified if they got out of the fence. Mobilelink also offers MDM REST APIs for you to integrate with your business systems. To learn more about the Mobilelink EMM solution, please kindly contact one of your Unitech representatives for more information. StageGO is offered free of charge to all Unitech partners. Please contact your nearest Unitech office branch to get your free account and start using StageGO today. If you have any technical inquiries, our technical representatives will also be super gladly to help you out. Because we care. This concludes the introduction of StageGO 2.0. Thank you so much.